Helipod launch initiated.
Let Encore's savagery play the game. Dude, that just reminds me of the olden days where you get kicked from using the railgun. It's like, bro. I don't think I've ever used the railgun. Bullet? You can. You can. Yeah, you can. I mean, you can. You just gotta shoot the eyeball. Oh, there's a friendship bunker. Orbit.
Requesting air support. Here comes the cavalry. You will never destroy our way. Calling in reinforcements.
Bro. Bro me? Hey, can you kill these guys? Gotta reload. Uh-oh. Oh. Get away from me. I'm not on the enemy team.
Requesting air support.
Oh, what? Oh. Big guy incoming. Die. Freaking peak. Puppet breeders. Oh. Oh my god. Wow, bro just avoided me. Okay.
Illuminate. West. Requesting air support. Let's reload. Illuminate. Northwest. Reinforcing. Bag's empty.
We're checking gritty. After this game's missing. Oh, wait, do you think we can kill the fighter jet with a machine gun? Really? The fighter jet just strafed it. Yeah. Yeah, I just shot at it. Uh-oh! You almost just killed our friend. We should probably go in the city, shouldn't we? What? There is a bunker over here, but although the medic got it already. Yeah. I saw one. Right here.
Calling in reinforcements.
No, I didn't get it.
009 KR36.
Oh, no, no,
Ist
you...
eigentlich Bicep, also Bicep kehrt das Dove zurück.
Ja.
Das ist ein Pseudonym jetzt, Dove. Und diese Single entstand mit der Londoner Sängerin.
Bastard, you should not kill me.
Beschreibt Dove als eine extreme Version des Bicep-Sounds, härter, aber auch ruhiger. Und es ist der
Big money.
zweite Dove-Song, der im Rahmen der Lauf des Woman-Reihe Bicep.
Come on.
Bag's empty.
Yes! What? Huh? How did he... What? How did he die and I lived? Yeah. I'll call it out if it's not. I usually just don't, because it's just... You're either stupid if you run towards the red thing. So I usually just throw it in front of me.
Sending in an eagle.
Feel gross just using the shielding attack. I don't know, I just...
Support.
I should have taken like a... I feel like I should have taken like a guard dog. Oh wow, hello. Hello? Oh please, come on. Oh boy. Incoming! Oh, youch! Grenade! You're good. This... Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Don't stop!
Calling in reinforcements.
Oh boy. Hello. Oh, uh-oh. Hey, LQ, turn around. Alright, the eyeball, the eyeball. See? Yeah, that's why I used the machine gun all the time, when they first came, because it was like the best stratagem. The best support gun, because you could just like machine gun all the little dudes.
Sending in an eagle. Reinforcements.
Ow.
Advanced weaponry.
Frick.
Requesting air support.
Uh-oh, incoming.
Calling in
Oh, I'm just gone.
reinforcements.
Oh.
I popped out and the interloper got me.
Fire in the hole.
Yeah. Ooh, okay, well this doesn't have any ammo. That's not good. No. No, get up, get up. God, help me! Look out! Man, I let. Okay, hi. Cluster bomb. I got it. Oh god.
Tagging location. It will
Yeah, and I'm trying to help you here.
sending in an eagle.
Democracy's on its way. Outpost clear. Requesting orbital.
Requesting air support.
I think you're far enough away.
North, 300 meters. Bag's empty. Last reload. Found something.
The horrors met the silence that remains von dem neuen Album Nightlife. Zwei Bandmitglieder haben
Wonder how many bullets we're gonna both have at the end of this.
Sending in an eagle.
Joe Spurgeon. Dabei gibt es jetzt neue Bandmitglieder. Der Kern der Band ist nach wie vor der Sänger Clarence Blackmore. Der Bassist Reese Wood.
Alright, let's go to the city.
Der Jordan Cook von der Band Telegram ist dabei am Schlagzeug und Amelia Kidd
Tagging
ist jetzt
map.
an den Keyboards.
Northeast, 200
Es
meters.
kann sein, dass es neue Bandmitglieder
We're
gibt,
fucking heavy marine
wie ein klassisches
fucking
Album von der
squad.
Horror. Eine Mischung aus Elektronik und Rock. Es gibt ein paar Songs, die fast wie Nine Inch Nails klingen. Die Parts sind ein bisschen Industrial Techno. Aber viele der Songs sind sanfter und poppiger. Und das Stück des
That's it. I'm cranking the RPM on this thing.
bestimmt so ein emotionaler Höhepunkt der Platte.
Oh. I just do it because it conserves more ammo.
Verzweiflung. The silence that remains von the Horrors.
Come on, buddy, we gotta go.
Nightlife.
Requesting air
Soon eine
support.
deutsche Band aus
Democracy's on
Baden-Württemberg.
its way.
Jetzt von dem neuen Album Feel Safe. Und hier ist das Stück Got Hurt.
Also, can I just say, we have bombarded this area so much, the streets are a trench.
Delivering payload.
Get away from him, you stupid idiot.
Illuminate. North. Dropping a pin. East. 300 meters.
Outpost clear.
Requesting air support.
Eagle 1 rearming. Be back shortly.
Hut 2, 4, hut 2, 4, hut 2. War the World's tripod. It's far. Oh, why'd you activate it? There they come for us. Here, there's that one.
Calling down a sentry. Package acquired.
I'm an actual fucking marine. I have my fucking conscript rifle and my machine gun. No, no, no! Fuck. I...
Win. Last reload. Calling down supply.
No, 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 don't go up the hill. No.
Bag's empty.
Okay, that's a napalm.
Reinforcing. Last reload.
It was interesting how we were doing fine until until our teammates came over.
Heavy. Deputy. On my position.
Oh my god! My super laser pass. There you go. Fuck you. Fuck you, die. That, you know what, that's it. I don't care that you're close. Wait, what is that? Oh my god! Yeah, that's why I was panicking. You see that guy next to you? The zombie just hit the emo before he died. Oh my god. Did you call it in previously? Or did you rearm it? Well, you've all the upgrades, so you. Oh boy. I kind of wish I brought the supply pack. Then out of machine gun ammo now. Please, ammo box. Yes.
Am 12. Juni im Goldenen Salon Basel. Und Jas ist das Duo Markus Brenngartner und
Oh my! I just got PTSD. Holy shit!
bei Band Record Tempo-Shop Malgruppe. Aber das ist jetzt das dritte Album unter dem Namen Jas.
Tagging location. Illuminate. Southwest.
Da gibt es ja, Punk und Noise.
Dear
und Krautrock.
God!
Sinti Loops. Got Hurt ist die Lead Single.
Out of ammo.
Hey, remember when we're trying to like get the RDPs?
Jetzt bereits am Donnerstag, jetzt in 2 Tagen. Du musst es dann schnell entscheiden, wenn ihr hinwollt. Das
Requesting
Kind,
air support.
auch ein deutsches Thema. Es gibt ein Album Ruinenkampf. Das ist das
Why
Debütalbum.
won't this motherfucker die?
Hier unter dem Namen Das Kind. Und unterstützt Tempo
Die.
des Todes.
Oh, I killed the revolver.
Illuminate. Southwest. Sending in an eagle.
Oh no! Get away from me, O-line.
Calling down.
Get me away! Get away! Get away!
Calling down a sentry. Illuminate. South. Tag cancel that.
All right. So how do you get ready for going the missions where you might die? Oh, you know, I just listen to Die Motherfucker Die. The interview with the Marine in like Iraq or whatever. What music do you listen to before you go into a mission? Oh, you know, just Die Motherfucker Die. Wait, we did the mission? Alright, there's 4. Mother, go away! I hate you guys! Watch your tone. Where is this last shell? Where is this oh, I found it.
Requesting air support.
Delivering payload.
Please pull the bolt back.
Empty.
Oh my god. No, 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 no. No. I just want to put this last fucking shell in. God damn it!
Dropping a pin. Northeast, 200 meters. I got the terminal. Tagging map. Northeast, 300 meters.
Fucking everyone's fucking dying over there. I don't care if you're over there still.
Bag's empty.
This is supposed to be one of your corpses because I could see there's a machine gun.
So das war Tempel des Todes von Das Kinn. Das Kinn ist das Projekt von Tobin Peel. Und er spielt jetzt am Donnerstag, jetzt am 15. in Harvard. Und Ruinenkampf ist sein Debütalbum unter diesem Namen. Das Kinn. Es sind 8 Stücke dabei, intensive Stücke. Und er ist nicht mehr der Jüngste, er ist in den 40ern. Er ist über 40, kommt aus Frankfurt. Und angeblich jung geblieben. Und er hat früher andere Projekte gehabt, wie zum Beispiel Entertainment. Und er hat sein eigenes Kassettenlabel gehabt. Und er spielt jetzt am Donnerstag im Goldenen Salon, Das Kinn. Ruinenkampf, so heißt es. Und nun der Sänger von TV on the Radio hat ein Solo-Debütalbum veröffentlicht. Das heißt The Black Box. Er heißt Thunder Ade Fimpe. Und das ist das Stück 8 Minuten.
Look out. Please pull the bolt back.
Sending in an eagle.
Oh shit.
Requesting air support.
What the? What? Oh, what? You stuck the strafing round. I'm clipping that. How did you do that? You stuck the strafing round ball, pokeball, to the fucking sentinel. Oh my god. Wow, that's a lot of dudes.
Requesting air support.
No, kill that guy. Please, you know, I'd be really happy if they added the minigun stratagem.
East, 50 meters.
ETA T-minus 2 minutes 30 seconds.
Illuminate. Down. Out of ammo. Sending in an eagle.
ETA T-minus 2 minutes.
Looking for meteor. Meteor. Meteor!
Requesting
Incoming. This is my hill. There are many like it, but this one is mine.
Bag's empty. Get some! Get some!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus!
Bag's empty.
ETA T-minus 1 minute.
Requesting advanced weapons. Last reload. Requesting air support.
ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
Die! Please! Ow!
ETA T-minus 20 seconds.
Das Rotunda ADF-Implement hängt the most von den neuen Arbeitskriegen auf. Wie gesagt, vor allem als Sänger der New Yorker TV Radio. Hat sich aber jetzt auch eine erfolgreiche Karriere als Schauspieler aufgebaut. Als Art in der Star Wars-Serie Skeleton Crew, auch bei Blockbuster Twist 2024. Dann gibt es dieses Album wie Black Box. Seine alte Band, TV on the Radio, hat sich nie offiziell getrennt. Es gab keine neue Platte seit 2014, aber ich habe gelesen, dass die Band jetzt demnächst auf Tour geht. Insofern wird dieses Album...
This show is realistic. I would not be able to fire this gun because the barrel would be melted off.
Weitermacht mit TV on the Radio. Wir hören jetzt ein altes Stück von TV on the Radio aus dem Jahr 2008 von dem Album Dear Science. Ich habe
Oh, super laser piss. No!
getroffen. Das heißt, ich habe ihn und David Seaton interviewt zusammen. Aber Tunde hat gar nichts gesagt. Das weiß ich noch. Er saß nur da. Er hat geknickt, während David geredet hat. Ich glaube, es war zum Zeitpunkt der Science. Wir sehen das Ziel on the Radio bekommen.
No, he died! Get in, get in, get in. Go. No, I got it. I got it.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
GG. I was fucking tangoing with the super laser piss. See, look, we're like bleeding like 30% time remaining. Yeah, I'm glad I grabbed the canister before I got lasered to death. Oh my gosh, it's Jupiter. Look at that. What?